everybody. So today we're going to give the Budgie Cage a bit of a makeover or a spruce up. We've got them some new toys and purchase, and we're going to clean out their cage and put a whole bunch of new toys in. So I'll show you what we've got them. Got them one of these perches, and you can bend it and it can go all over the place. I've got them this perch with the little ropes on the end because our budgies like to shred, and it's part of their preening behaviour, and it stops them from plucking out their own feathers when they can pull at something else, and it just keeps them busy and entertained. We have this little thing for them. Where is it? It's made out of dyed popsicle sticks. It's all non-toxic, and they'll break these off, and then we'll be able to just make a new one out of the beads and things left on it. We have another toy with little bits of wooden beads and things that they can bite and break, and little ropey bits to shred, and a loofah toy where they'll be able to bite this and these bits. And this is one I made. I'm proud of it. I don't know how well it'll go down, but we'll see. So it's he's got little beads and things for them to shred, like a little swing. So that's what we've got for our birds. So we're going to set up a time lapse, and we'll we're going to take out these ladders here because they are using their ladders more than they're actually using their wings, and they're starting to get a bit fat. So we're going to take out their ladders, move their perches around, move their bowls around a bit, and try and encourage some more active and foraging type behaviour. So let's get to it. I'm all done, so I'll give you a quick tour. Okay, here we go. I've put the loofah toy here. They did have two wire platforms here. I've removed them, well, one of them. I want to encourage more climbing behaviour. They have their perch right next to their feed bowl, which I've moved to the back instead of on the side. They have the swing that I made them. Got their little solar fairy house, which gives it a little bit of an ambient glow just as the sun's setting. They've got their little popsicle stick toy. They've got their little beads. One thing I've learned is that you shouldn't really have perches that cross over too much, and I've tried my best to do it so that it works out. I've got that. That's where their food is. They're all a little bit nervous at the moment because there was a lot of noise and a big change. Our budgies are free-flighted, but they're not hand-tamed. So they just live most of their time in their cage. We go down to this bottom door. I've put their multicoloured rope perch, or their rainbow perch, with They're rope swinging hanging from it because they all seem to battle it out for this. And overall, I think it's really pretty. Hi fellas. What have we got here? I hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe if you want to, and we'll see you in the next video.